Hi, welcome to the delicious recipes. Today we're gonna cook chop suey. And here's our ingredients for today. First, we're gonna prepare our chicken now and we're gonna slice very thin like this. Because we're not gonna fry this one, we're just gonna stir fry our vegetable and meat. And next, we're gonna put our chicken 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and after that, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Okay, this is our 1 cup chicken stock, and we need to put 1 tablespoon cornstarch for our sauce to our chop suey. And guys, you can use also water, but the chicken stock is more tastier. That's why mostly people prefer to use the chicken stock. And now we're gonna prepare our cauliflower. And guys, we're using half green and half red bell pepper here to add make colorful our chop suey. And we're gonna cut our onion like this. And cut also the garlic like this. Okay, this is my favorite cabbage. This is Asian cabbage because I tried the other kind of cabbage. It takes so long to cook. It's so very hard. And it's not very tasty compared this one. But this one you can eat even raw. That's why I prefer to use the Asian cabbage. Okay, and let's start to cook our chop suey now. Okay, first we're gonna cook our baby corn, and guys, always stir. We're not gonna fry this one. We always stir. That's why we call it stir fry. And after 1 minute, we can put our carrots. And next, our onion. We do this because we don't need to fry this one. That's we call stir fry. The other way to cook, we always put our garlic and onion first. That's the traditional way. But if you try to go and eat to the Chinese restaurant, sometimes they have a menu. You can see the onion is not fried and it looks like fresh, but the onion is cooked. But it's delicious, guys, trust me. And next, we're gonna put our garlic. So if you see our veggies is evenly cooked already, we're gonna put our chicken now. Guys, that's why we put cornstarch our chicken, because when we put the meat and we're gonna stir fry, I observe the meat it's more soft and it's kind of slimy and gives more tastier to our meat and sauce. And guys, don't stop to stir until meat is cooked, and put high heat the stove so the meat is cooked fast. Maybe only 3 minutes long, and even we cook 3 minutes our chicken, it's okay because we cut very thin our meat of chicken, and after that we gonna boil also when we put our sauce. Okay, when you see our chicken is already cooked, we can put our celery now. Okay, now we're gonna put our chicken stock with cornstarch, and we will wait until the chicken stock is boiled. And now we're gonna put our cauliflower and put the salt now. And next we're gonna put oyster sauce. And next we're gonna put our bell pepper. And next we're gonna put our snow peas. And next put the cabbage. Okay, it's time to put the black pepper now. This is the last ingredients we're gonna put. Okay, voila! This is our recipe of chop suey. Hope you like it. Guys, thank you for watching, and please comment below and like and share if you like our chop suey recipe now. And please subscribe to our channel so you'll not miss the next video. Bye for now!